Whenever I see one of those plastic boxes sitting on the curb, I immediately stop and take a look inside, you know. Never know if there are still tools in it. In this case, it's just empty. There's an empty space where a drill once used to be, a charger, and even some drill bits and tool stuff. So yeah, pretty much useless because you can't really use it to put something else inside because it's molded in and doesn't fit. So I came up with a little idea that you will love. Taking a knife and we're cutting this to bits. You should be able to just cut this with a good X-Acto knife blade. And this is what I'm doing right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's going to the stuff like butter. You know, like the obligatory hot knife to butter. Exactly. Be careful on the thicker parts. I don't want to cut outside this line. Because I don't want to cut into the outside. Yeah, I will cut all around this stuff here, but I won't bore you with filming it. And we come back when it's finished. In case of this case, the manufacturer has made life extra hard by press molding some of the parts onto the underside, so you can't just easily cut around it and take it just out, like I hoped to. But here and here it is pressed on. Those here are just spacers, but those here are actually, you can see it with the little round part here and there, that they are molded on. So we have to do a bit more cutting work, but it works. So, I have had a little accident here, but this was me getting impatient. I will just glue this part, I have it. And yeah, this is it. A free, strong plastic case to put, you know, some machine or something in it. You can put some foam inside and glue it down, but yeah. Now this machine has a new home, and this box didn't go into the landfill. So, hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next time here at SBC Cinema with something like this.